So we totally need to stop meeting in here, but welcome to my bathroom yet again. And welcome to Tiny Tidy Tuesday, because it's Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny tidy. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. It seems like for the past few Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, I have brought you right here to my bathroom. Last week we cleaned the outside of my cabinets. Today we're going to clean the inside of my cabinets. I promise that my bathroom is not a place that anybody ever hangs out in. I come in here, but not to hang out. But like when I have people over, I'm not like, hey, let's go hang out in my bathroom. Like, do you want to sit in my bathroom and like chat? I don't hang out in here, but I'm good at tidying and cleaning and homemaking things, but I'm great at procrastinating. And so the zone that I clean on Mondays is this bathroom is in that zone, and I end up filming in this room, my bedroom, or my closet like a lot, because I kind of incorporate what I'm already doing. So yeah, I could do like a whole video on procrastinating, because I am queen of procrastination. I even procrastinated about being born, and my poor mom had to be induced. However, I would like to thank Sunday Dawn for putting Tiny Tidy Tuesday together, as she always does so diligently. Please check out her channel, linked in my playlist below, along with this week's Tiny Tidy playlist. Like I said, I'm going to clean inside of my cabinets. I do this every 3 to 4 months. I would say more every 3 months. So I do it like once a season. So I'll do it like in fall, winter, spring, summer, and I barely use anything. All I use is, of course, the microfiber cloth, because I absolutely love these. And today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Mint Scent Cleaner. It's the multi-surface. I read somewhere, I don't know if it's true, but I read somewhere that spiders do not like the smell of mint. So I love the smell of mint, so I like to clean with mint, just because maybe I'm doing double duty without realizing it, and not only cleaning but keeping spiders away. I don't know. I don't see any spiders around, and I always use the mint spray, so maybe it does that. Who knows? And of course, I need a trash bag, because I'm sure that I will find some trash as I am cleaning. But I just want to invite you guys to clean along with me. Whatever it is you have to tidy today, let me know in the comments what you let me know in the comments what you tidied. If you tidied along with me, or if you did not tidy along with me, still comment and say hello.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones that healing. They're all there because of you. Miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
Do you have this little plastic container that I keep like my toothbrush in and that kind of thing? So I do like to wash that really well on a pretty regular basis so it does not harbor germs or bacteria, and I like to make sure that I get it really dry before I put it back up. So you're going to see that I spend quite a great deal of time drying between all the little crevices in this plastic container. Also, I would like to insert here that it did take me quite a while playing around with the inside of my cabinets to get them to a place where I could easily access everything, keep everything clean, put everything in its place so that it is very quick and easy for me to do a wipe down like I am doing today of the cabinets. And I suggest that if you are one of those people that needs to organize your cabinets, that you take it very small steps at a time. You could do one cabinet a day and get that cabinet under control. And I would also suggest that you try different sized containers that you might have around the house just to kind of see what you need before you buy anything. That's exactly what I did because I used to be a little out of control with just kind of throwing things here and there, and I really made it a priority to get organized. So I just thought I would share that tip with you. If you are new to my channel, I would like to take a moment to welcome you. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a homemaker. I am a heart warrior and would love to have you in my YouTube family.
I can try if you let me. With our lives I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be. Yes, baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know what to say. I expected you to leave. I deserve to be unhurt, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I tried.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rise.
I just want to thank you guys for hanging out with me again today in my bathroom and helping me to check off that last thing on my spring cleaning to-do list, which was cleaning out the insides of my cabinets. I would love for you, if you are new, to consider joining my YouTube family. It is completely free. All you have to do is use your finger and click on that subscribe button, and that's it. And you support me, and that really helps me, and I'm really thankful for that. And hopefully maybe sometimes I can entertain you and inspire you and motivate you and do all the things. But thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to check out Sunday's channel in my description box below, along with the playlist. If I have already said that, I apologize. Just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye-bye. So we totally need to stop meeting in here, but welcome to my bathroom yet again, and welcome to Tiny Tidy Tuesday, because it's Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny tidy. Is that right? Yes. Do not be like me and procrastinate. Get things done early. It alleviates stress and makes you feel so much better. And I would love for you, if you are new, I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family. Just click on that subscribe button. It's completely and totally free, and I would just absolutely love to have you. And I love to have each and every one of you guys. So just remember, whatever you do today, okay. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's Tiny Tidy.